If you just got your Fire Stick and you're wondering how to get Amazon Prime Video set up, well, you're in the right place. Many people feel stuck and frustrated when their apps aren't showing up, but don't worry. We got you covered with some easy steps that's going to get your Amazon Video up and running. So step 1, make sure that your Fire Stick is connected to your TV and internet, because you can't download apps without an internet connection. All right? Step 2, go to the home screen and select the search option. You're gonna type in Amazon Prime Video. Okay. Step 3 is that when you find it, you're gonna click download and you're gonna wait for it to install. Step 4 is that once it's installed, you're gonna open the app and you're gonna sign in with your Amazon account. Step 5, start watching your favorite movies, your favorite shows on Amazon Prime Video. All right? It's that simple, and now you can pretty much watch endless entertainment anytime. So if this video helped you out, leave me a like, comment. Thanks for being here. Love you. Ciao.